Let me share with you how to make the most tender, sweet and juicy corn on the cob using just your microwave. This might just be the absolute best and easiest way to cook corn you will ever try. Start with one fresh ear of corn, about 300 to 400 grams. Look for corn with bright green, tightly wrapped husks and golden stick that smells slightly sweet. The best corn will feel firm and plump. Simply give your ear of corn a quick rinse under cold running water for about 15 seconds. There is no need to drain it off. That cleansing water is absolutely essential as it will create the steam that coats the corn from the inside out. That water clinging to the husks is what makes this method work so well. Once microwave, the water molecules become agitated and turn into steam, which circulates around the corn and coats it gently and evenly, locking in all its natural sweetness. Place the damp ear of corn directly onto the microwave turntable. There is no need for any special container or plate. The corn can cook right on the turntable, which allows the steam to circulate evenly all around it. Set your microwave to cook on high power for exactly 5 minutes. The high power ensures the water converts to steam quickly, while the 5 minutes is the perfect amount of time to cook the corn through without overcooking it. When the microwave stops, be very careful. Use oven mitts or a kitchen towel to handle the corn as it will be extremely hot. The steam inside has made everything piping hot, so handle with care. As you peel back the husks, you will find the kernels are incredibly soft, sweet and steamy hot. The steam has locked in all the natural sugars and juices, making it incredibly flavorful. The husks and stick should peel away easily. Many people think microwave corn tastes even better than steamed or boiled corn because it coats in its own natural juices. None of the sweetness escapes into water. The flavor is more concentrated and delicious. You are left with corn that is so tender and sweet, it might just change how you cook corn forever. It is wonderfully quick, foolproof and absolutely delicious side dish that's ready in just 5 minutes from start to finish.